know what you're thinking. This car look pretty good.
Oh my god! Wow!
But in my opinion, it's actually super bad. Let me explain why. So BMW thinks that this look right here that you guys seeing, it looks sick.
Damn!
And my opinion is that actually not good at all. Because so it's looking right here, to make this look super cool, if you have bigger rims, you know, low profile tires and all of that, but you're not gonna get the, you know, the nice ride and all of that stuff. So what's the next step? Well, the next step is, you know, how the car stands on the road. And right now it's okay, it's not really good, it's okay. Well, that's why I have the next upgrade for this vehicle, and that is wheel spacers. So right now let me show you. Like, you can see like this tire right here, you see how into the fender sits? It's like, come on, like this is a muscle car, you know, it should represent power, you know, like to have a wide stand on the road. Like, look at it, it's okay, I mean it's good, not gonna lie, but then again, like, we can do better, we can definitely do better. That's why we're gonna install these two right here. Not a sponsor or any of it, you know, this is a product that I'm using. I found on Amazon and all that stuff. I'll put a link down below for you if you want to use something like that, but this is the ones that I found, and they're like pretty reasonable price and seems like pretty reasonable quality as well. So the plan here is we're gonna do 20 millimeters in the back, 15 millimeters in the front, and that should make it pop. Like, talking about like pop pop, you know, like pop 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 kind of type of deal. So let's do it.
Even good love feels like drugs. Even good nights get you high. Little bit wild, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Even good love feels like drugs. Even good times get you high. Little bit lost, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Pleasure is pain and the pain is pleasure. Grass won't grow with no rainy weather. We keep flipping coins for luck and we're just trying to ease the suffering. Broke a heart first and my own got shattered. Never one tear really ever mattered. World keeps on turning and we all keep learning that even good love feels like drugs. Even good nights get you high. Little bit wild, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side.
Okay, so one side is done. Let me show you what I'm actually using. So this is a hub-centric wheel spacers. You see how the bolts came. I like how each individual one got wrapped, and then this is the actual spacer. I kind of like it how everything, it's all nice and shiny and finished and all of that. And then hub-centric means this little lip right here. So the idea is when it sits inside, you grab the lip, the original lip from the hub, and then it will transfer that to here, and then this is where the tire is going to sit. So again, I'm not a specialist on anything, this is what my research, you know, did and everything. So again, just a dumb YouTuber over here, hey. But like I said, we're gonna go with 20 millimeters, which is almost an inch, seems like it, because 25 millimeters it seems like to be equal to an inch, and then 15 in the front, and then we're gonna take it for a spin and see if actually it's gonna rub or not. I hope it doesn't. Guess we're gonna find out. Okay, let's do this side real quick and take it for a spin.
Even good love feels like drugs. Even good times get you high. Little bit lost, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Rounding corners, high and low ones. Can't have one without the other. Jumping in the neon colored feelings without feeling all the broken chords that came before. Sidewalks right hit the floor. Windows closed, but there's a door. That's how it always goes. Yeah, the world keeps on turning, and we all keep learning. Even good love feels like drugs. Even good nights get you high. Little bit wild, but it's alright.
So car is done, and let me show you how it actually looks like. What do you think? Huh?
Hey, Dada.
Здравей, Ники. Hi. Huh? I think it's like much better. Come on now. Like, look at it. Like the way how it stands now. It's woo-wee. Like this one right now, as you can see right here, it's like almost flushed. This one here in the back, it is same thing.
Yep.
It's like woo-wee.
Woo-wee.
I'm talking about. Let me show you from the back. Oh, damn it, Alex doesn't like that. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh, yeah, look at that girt. Oh, yep. Boom. Oh, this is perfect. Now, the moment of truth. Take it for a spin and see if it rubs. And if it doesn't rub, sad. If it rubs, failure. And that's gonna laugh in my face. Because I'm gonna laugh as well. Because, you know, again, Mr. Dum Dum. Let's take it for a ride. Left. So close. Okay, so the car is done. No rubbing, no nothing. Success. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this. And don't forget, if I can do it, you can do it. I'll see you on the next one.
Bye.